wanted to go on the footplay at Thomasland.
Yes, they're making another ride.
They're going to make a ride.
They're going to make another ride.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Winston. Nice to meet you. I'm the back controller's track inspection car. It's my job to make sure everything is safe and good.
Is that like I see Bertie the bus ride? That's cool. Wow. That looks good. We're level with the bus then.
I'm sure it's a smooth journey.
And then we got the diesels. Look at them diesels. Wow. Like the cars down here though. They look good. Vintage cars.
The station looks busy today. Everything seems to be running.
Lovely. We've got the Harold the helicopter ride there, but I don't think that's working today. Oh look, there's Thomas! There's Thomas!
And where's Percy?
Where was he hiding then? And they got Cranky the Crane!
With the shoulder straps.
Harold on his heli tours.
See all the Harold helicopters down there. Lovely. See all of Thomasland.
Is that not working now?
I don't know. Just a second ago.
The social cars are honking hello and...
But to the person who's obsessed with
Daddy, look at the size of that tag.
So, can you see Cranky here?
It's not going to move.
It's a shame not even Toby's running today, isn't it?
The last time the Toby was running.
I know, they should really get some of them working, or put new ones on.